It's so long. So imagine right now. Dolphin, imagine.
Okay, I'm picturing.
You might want to fix your leaky faucet.
Oh, my bad. I'm gonna rebind my fucking awful noises to my mouse and accidentally hit them.
Oh no, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something really cool. When you hold Control and tilde, that you can pull up the menu for your sounds.
Oh no, I'm using a built into my mic.
Oh, that's autistic.
That sounds. Wow, wow, that's crazy. What the fuck is wrong with you? I've only got one bound right now. You want to guess which one it is?
Battle of the
really.
fucking retards, bro. What? Stop!
Oh, can you plug in your own sounds to Discord as well?
Yeah.
Okay. I might have to switch to that because the mouse thing is awful. Oh. You are a real piece of shit. Do you have the leave and rejoin column as unbound? I hate you.
Hello, gentlemen.
You guys get online?
I told you I had to update.
It's so loud, man.
You know Eddie, Barrett?
Yeah.
He gets so mad whenever we start using the soundboard when we're playing a Valorant. Me and Tyler, every time me and Tyler lost 1v1, we just hit...
I'm sorry, we both have that shit going on. Sorry, sorry, go on.
Whenever he loses, or like one of us loses, we just hit the... And he gets so angry.
That's the whole thing? You have the whole
First of all, kill yourself.
It's just ass. This is so ass.
Oh, sorry. Did you...
Sucks.
Maybe I should turn this one up.
Oh no, not the cinematic rising. So loud. Didn't you play that in a game with people and somebody didn't notice?
I was playing snippets of the sound bites of the ones that you hold, and somebody, it was Josiah, didn't question it for like an hour. It was when I pressed this one like 3 times. I started pressing that one, which isn't really easy to hide, and that's when he finally caught on. And I'm gonna turn this shit off so I don't accidentally hit these buttons while we're playing.
I
So
will be
all you'll
hitting
get
them on
is-
purpose.
All you'll get is sewer noises.
Let me add one to the server for you, Barrett, so you can join in. Now we have one in this server.
What?
It's in the NDC.
Okay.
Hey, crazy idea. Stop.
You know what? I think I will leave it on. I think I will leave it on. We have enough for the thing? I think we've got enough for the thing.
Hold on, Huffman's calling me.
Get over here.
What do you want, turd bucket?
Why are you just running over all of the things I'm trying to loot? Choose your own fucking loot spots. What's wrong?
You calling for something?
You waited for me to open it so you can run over him. Scoop up what was left.
That wasn't me, bro. You're the
I don't know, I think he only has
to the
one.
blame.
The yellow guy is so far away.
We should make Barrett a
Yeah.
victim.
No, I didn't. That's
Doesn't
good.
matter.
Bro, this fucking maneuverability is crazy.
You should cut that.
Push him off. Hey, this is
No, we getting shot at.
That's Barrett.
Retake the test. He's like, I highly recommend you take pictures.
Okay.
Oh.
That was lovely.
I don't think there's any better way that could have gone.
I've been looking to find a bigger picture.
Show them off and go.
Bye-bye. You guys are the worst people to have on a phone call, bro.
Tried to fuck with some of the most attractive. All these alternatives just got me tripping. At the end of the night, I'm reminiscing.